support and I remain okay for this work, and I hear from Mike in all the province of Biafra land. We appreciate our leader Mazin and the Okukal Kamal laws, Omemre Zoshugu President, and all his lieutenants, fanatical men of valor, radical Biafrans all over the world. Mazin, meanwhile, I have our media here with me from Olo. I think he has some report to give us before I make my comment.
By all media
from Olo, can you hear me?
Go ahead.
Yeah, I can hear you live from direct.
Please, you are on to Radio Biafra and Compromise the Kate Corner. The platform is yours.
Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear friends all over the world. I am the Olu Media, and I'm calling right from Olu now. Now, what is going on in Olu now is that the police and the army, they blocked Nkweto Junction, then this UBA roundabout there, and the Total roundabout, they blocked these three places. Now, they don't allow people to pass. They were just maltreating people that are passing. No business around that area open. People are scared because the way they treat the passerbys is nothing to write home about. And these things now that's happening, those army people, they are no longer putting on their uniform. They put on black. If you look at them, they will just look like our people. That the Eastern Security Network, but they are not the one. They are not Eastern Security Network. They changed their dressing. They removed their normal dressing. They put on the ordinary trouser and black. So that is what is going on now in Olo. People are just running helter-skelter. They are not even in their business area. And there is coffee in Olo, which says that people should go on their normal business from morning, from 6 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the evening. They should go on their normal business. But these armies now, they are not allowing people to go on their normal business. Now, after now, they will say is our people because they are not dressed in their army and police uniform. This is what is going on now in Olu.
All right, because we know what game they are trying to play. We know what game they are trying to play. They want to make it look like Eastern Security Network is out there now brutalizing our people, extorting money from our people. That is the picture they want to paint. But of course, we are 7 steps ahead of them. We know this even before it's happening. And of course, if they are men enough, let them come out and fight. And not playing this coward they're playing with the civilians. Please go ahead, Mazi.
Yeah, Mazi, what he said is right, because before he came online, I think sometime last week, we said it on this platform that they are patrolling all. What they do now, they don't use they are instructed not to go on there, they go on Mufti now and continue arrest. But yesterday we are told they are out. Why do they leave and change it from, I don't know, they went out and they come into Mufti again and continue disturbing people. And Mazi, when you talk about saboteur, Mazi, you see the BBC media, those people that are reporting, I saw one reporter, he was reporting from Owerri, and what is happening in Olo. And what annoyed me, the guy, his second man, that one, it should be a boy, man, he was calling our ESN Jaguda. And these people are in our land. The same thing that happened there, they don't want to report exactly what is happening. They try to change the narrative. They try to, it's a kind of gossip, I call it. So if you are in Biafra land and you are son of the soil, because you speak Igbo, all of you are Biafra reporting and they cannot give on-spot assessment of what is happening. And you are trying to behave like the Gingerweed reporter channel and co. Mazi, if that thing continues in Biafra land, those reporters will be dealing with, Biafrans will know what to do about them. You break their cameras and treat them so that they will know whenever they are going to report, they report exactly what is happening and put the picture the way it is. Not trying to gossip around and say they are reporting news. Maz, I don't know if our media still have anything to say.
Yes, media, all media, do you still have anything to say or we move forward?
Mazi, I just want to encourage our people to be resolute because what is happening now may discourage many people. But if we keep on keeping on, victory is on our side. And Mazi, and that thing I want to appeal for is this radio in Olo. The radio is not in Olo. People are not getting information, except those people that have an Android phone. If you can see any way to assist Olo with this, with radio, so that people will have access and know what is going on.
Media. You are talking with Okay is there. Okay, foreign is there.
Yeah, so, we know what is happening. We know what is happening.
Speak to him and he knows where to take the message to.
We have put Ikedu is covered, and all of them, but not some part is covered, and maybe say, it's too bomb, obo. We are not covered all of it. Small. We are coming small. Now the radio is in Bende and they are working, and after once the relation station is ready, we fix. Very soon that will be some group of people hurt, and that will be fixed very soon because it's already there now. It's people that are contributing this money, individual effort. So the other ones is not only in Mosel, we have a lot of places. We are not ignoring anywhere. There's nothing like preferential treatment here. But what you have to know is that is our people that come and go and donate those money and they feast. So it's more small, my brother.
All right.
Our people there with us. And the one in the machine is completely bad. So you need a replacement. So most of the machines are completely worn out. They need replacement. I spoke with the Biafra Imo State coordinator now. This is what he was telling me. So you people should bear with us, please. Mazi, that is what I have to say.
All right. Thank you very much. Dewo. And thank you to Olo Media for bringing that information to us. We appreciate. All right, we must continue. It is still Radio Biafra SADC. You have heard it. What is happening to Olo, and that is the latest, of course, on the ground that we are bringing you courtesy of Olo Media. And we thank our brother Amazio Ekeroreke. He is the one that connected them to be able to reach us this morning. All right, we must continue. Radio Biafra SADC it is. Mazi Kechukwono is my name. Are you a Sabo? Are you within the family? Trust me when I tell you, we will fish you out. And when we do, Chideka Bogoko. All right. Mama. Call on WhatsApp. Can you hear me?
Yes. Mazo
Mazi, good morning from here. Please
God
go
bless
ahead.
you, sir.
And bless you too.
Yeah. The all saboteur must go.
Are you still there, Mazi?
Lucifer is a saboteur. Lucifer is a saboteur, and they brought Lucifer down. As long as they brought Lucifer down, every saboteur must go down. And another thing I want to say, Nigerian people are hypocrites. Why I say so? They kill anytime they kill anybody in United States of America, all of them will put hashtag. Our life is matter. Black life is matter. They have killed our brothers and our sisters in Olu. None of them, both the celebrities, nobody can put hashtag. I was watching all of them online for how many days today. None of them want to remember or to say what happened in Olu. Every person keep notes. They don't want to put. If it's in another place, as Osadebe sing, no Yemen and Kendi also, we will run to go there. But this thing is happening in our house. Even the Igbo celebrity is very proud of you. You don't know who it will be tomorrow. Injury one, injury all. If you didn't condemn party, it must surely come to you. That is my word. God bless you, sir.
All right, thank you very much, Mazi, and of course, God bless you too. We must continue, and like we said, of course, it is Radio Biafra. This is where we preach the truth, and this is where you have liberty to call in and tell us what is on your mind. Let's call on WhatsApp. Please go ahead, people of the East.